Very good. And up. What's going on, people? It's Harvey back with another video, and today we've got Big J here from Sporting and Lifestyle. I keep saying serious about lifting, but keep that in anyway. It's not your video. I'm sorry, bro.
Some director.
Do you have any problems or issues with your body at the moment?
Mainly shoulders. So my shoulders get kind of tight when I'm posing or doing overhead movements, and mainly lower back. So from heavy squatting and deadlifting, that sort of thing.
Okay. And have you had any actual injuries previously?
Lower back injury. So doing a heavy T-bar row kind of pulled a muscle in my back as well. So that basically went to hospital. I was kind of stuck in this position here.
Oh man.
As I straightened up, I would get a spasm. So that's happened to me about 3 times now. So lower back.
Let's start off with the shoulder. When the shoulder pain comes on, is it a sharp pain, a dull ache, or is it like a burning sensation?
It's just like an ache. Like certain times when I'm doing an overhead movement or posing, I kind of get ache in the back of the shoulders.
Okay, so just around the radial, yeah?
Around that part, yeah.
Okay, and in terms of the lower back, when that pain comes on, when does it normally come on?
Usually after a heavy sort of back day. So if I'm doing sort of deadlifts or bent over rows, sometimes from that old injury, I won't get the flare up, but I can sort of feel a stiffness on one side, or maybe a slight kind of like it's going to spasm.
More so on the left side?
More so on the left side.
Okay.
When it fully goes, that's when you pretty much can't move and the pain is in the glute, but at the moment there's nothing like that.
Yeah. I'm going to fix you up today, and then I'm going to send you over some stretches, some rehabilitation exercises that I've seen your videos as well, you do them as well.
Yeah, I do them. Yeah.
Just a memory jogger.
Yeah, that's it.
Alright, so let's assess your shoulder. So what we're going to do today is we're going to release the tension that you have in the rear delts, rotate the upper traps on the left side, and then we're also going to release the tension and stiffness that you have on the lower back. And if at any point you feel the pain is too much, just let me know.
Cool, so, no worries. But with my posture as well, I think I've got slight
Anterior pelvic tilt.
so it puts more pressure.
Anterior pelvic tilt usually comes with tight hip flexors. Just to help with the tilt a little bit, I'm just going to pop this under your belly, this towel. So you do a lot of bodybuilding.
Yeah, so bodybuilding competitions and stuff like that. I'm aiming for early next year now.
Okay, and what weight do you do at?
At the moment, I need to get down to about 99 kilos. I'm about 113 now, so
okay.
I need to lose a bit. But I usually lose about 10 kilos anyway, so.
Yeah, you can feel the tightness on the left side.
Then, see, right where you are, that's where the main tightness is.
If the camera wasn't on, you know you're crying like a baby.
No.
Because there's a camera that has got to try it.
It's painful, but it's good.
It's good, but you feel like it's doing something.
Yeah.
And you won't feel sore for a day.
Yeah.
Back's nearly as big as mine.
Nearly, you said.
I see a lot of people on Insta using this tool.
Yeah.
What is it for?
So it's basically a Graston tool. You know some scar tissue that you build up from previous injuries?
Yeah.
It just helps get rid of that.
Okay.
So if you have like an area, say you've got a string, you put a knot in the string.
Yeah.
That's an area of deprived oxygen and deprived blood flow. That's what brings pain to that area. And this just gets rid of that, resets that string to allow the muscle to contract and to allow
blood flow and everything.
Yeah. Where did you let competition?
I'm looking for early part of next year, so I would start to diet towards the end of this year.
And I've seen you like quite a bit in exercise for this.
Do I mean?
Yeah.
Are you
Copy it, this is me.
He's got
an excess for let's take up all the plates.
How often are you training yourself?
So when I'm there, like 4 times a week. 4 times.
Not too bad, yeah. But the eating part is probably the hardest now for bodybuilding. So training is a fun part. My days, I'm killed.
Big baby.
Bro, kills you. It's a full MOT for me.
What we'll do is just at the end we'll get you on the side and we'll release the lats because there's quite a lot of tightness here.
I feel like the lats sometimes.
But have you seen traps this size before? I don't think you've seen traps this size before.
You have Harvey. I just on the table.
Wait.
Now, personally, I would say that's the only downfall to having big traps. And traps is a muscle that doesn't go down. So you don't want to overbuild it. It can overpower your physique. You can ruin your kind of posture as well. So I remember building them and working in a bodybuilding gym, and the manager, he kind of didn't like that muscle. He was telling me about it and stuff, but I was obsessed with it at the time.
Yeah.
But for headaches, I think that's one of the causes of my headache.
Tight traps, isn't it?
Yeah.
You get headaches, where do you get them? You get
I get migraines.
Wait.
So one side of my head, my vision will go blurry sometimes. I could be at work and it will just come on. So
There's a little bit of tension coming up here.
it feels like it as well, to be honest.
Breathe in. Now. Do you feel that?
Yeah, I felt like it, definitely.
So if someone had a lot more issues, would you do your treatments in kind of stages?
Yeah.
Where you work on upper body one?
Yeah.
Okay.
100%. You're gonna feel it like a, you know, like how a workout.
I feel like I've done a workout, but I'm not gonna lie.
I definitely feel like I've done a session.
Yeah. Breathe in. And out. Breathe in. And out. Nah. It's too much muscle.
Yeah.
Do that one now.
Well, I don't know. Should we try?
Yeah, we try it.
Okay, you got insurance, yeah?
Breathe in. And out. Breathe in. And out. How you feeling, Jacob?
Good, man. I definitely feel a lot more mobility in the shoulders, the back. I feel like I've done a bit of a workout as well. So definitely what I needed, especially for my lower back.
Full MOT in it.
Full MOT for me. I've never really done this sort of treatment before, so it was good today.
Yeah, that's
definitely
good.
feeling.
And you do a bit of bodybuilding yourself as well, innit?
Yeah, so fitness competitions, a lot of bodybuilding stuff, heavy weight lifting stuff. So bashing up the body, repairing again. So something like this definitely for me is needed.
What's your Instagram?
Instagram is Jermaine Brown Official, so make sure you check me out on there.
Follow him up as well. He does bodybuilding competitions.
Yeah.
So yeah, check him out. Be sure to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and turn the notification bells on. Peace.
Peace.